So we'll start by pressing the dial key to dial the call, then we'll type in the phone number. Now that we've typed in that 10-digit phone number with the area code, we'll see the smartphone go and ring. We accept the call. Most cell phones are going to need to manually press the RTT option, and then you can go and send a message to the recipient that they'll see on screen. So as we can see, you can see hi right there. Let's go and start a new line by pressing return. And then we can go ahead and type hello back. And as you can see, that shows up on screen on both devices. Let's go ahead and press return again. We'll go ahead and type how are you? As you can see, that shows up on screen on the recipient device, and it shows up on the phone itself. Now to end the call, you're going to need to press the shift button right here and hold that button while pressing TTY on/off. And that's how you end the call. The only difference between these models is some have a backlight for the 140s, and the straight 1000s do not have a backlight on the screen.